Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an activity you enjoyed in your free time when you were young. You should say what it was, where you did it, who you did it with, and why you enjoyed it. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I was quite active and playful when I was young and indulged in both indoor and outdoor activities depending on the time of day, my availability, as well as my schedule. And today, I would like to talk about a pursuit named musical chairs, which was quite fun and entertaining. So, as you all can see, we have given a little bit of an introduction where I am just saying what I was like when I was young. So playful means someone who is interested in games and sports. Indulged means to take part in. Pursuit is another synonym for saying activity. And instead of repeating the word enjoyed that was already in the question, we have used fun and entertaining. So basically, what I am trying to say here is that I used to take part in both indoor and outdoor activities depending on the time of day. If it was hot outside, I used to play indoors. If I had more time, depending on my availability, if I was free from tuitions and so on, then I used to play more games. Or if I had a very busy schedule, then that day I would have to just skip playing games and just do studies. So that's what I am trying to mean by this general introduction. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that after returning from school and completing my homework, usually in the evening time, me and my siblings used to play this game together. So, siblings means cousins, your brothers and your sisters. Moreover, we used to take the chairs, arrange them in a line in the drawing room of our house, and play some melodious songs in the background, and started to walk around the chairs without touching them. So, melodious means beautiful or pleasant. Additionally, as soon as the music stopped, we had to sit on the available chairs, which were lesser in number than the people participating, and those who could not grab the seats were eliminated from the next round. So, we are just trying to describe this activity or game that I used to do when I was a kid. So, if you all have played musical chairs at some point or the other in your life, you already know about this game, right? Play some kind of music in the background, and when the music is stopped, you need to grab all the chairs. Like that means take all the chairs and just sit on it. And those people who could not sit on the chair, they are removed. That means eliminated from that round, and the number of chairs are always lesser than the number of people who are participating. So if you are four people who are participating in the games, the number of chairs could be three or even two. Furthermore, I was fond of this recreational activity as it provided me a break from my monotonous daily routine while refreshing and rejuvenating my mind at the same time. So, fond means to like something, monotonous means boring. Rejuvenate again means to feel refreshed. So, what we are trying to say here is that I like this game because it gave me a break from my daily routine. So, if you have a similar kind of routine that you get up in the morning, go to school, come back again, and then again do your homework, eat food, and sleep, and then next day again you are doing the same thing, and then the next day also same thing. So, that kind of a routine is said to be monotonous or boring. Okay. Besides that, it also helped me to navigate relationships, develop stronger bonds and connections with my siblings, and share similar lifetime memories. Finally, since this game was not sedentary, it also contributed towards my overall physical fitness and helped me to remain fit and healthy while gaining immense pleasure and joy. So, sedentary means something that is stationary or which does not involve movement. So what we are saying is that this game was not sedentary. That means it involved lot of moving around. So that's why it also helped me to remain physically fit and healthy. Immense means a lot of or great. So what we are saying here is that this game or activity helped me both mentally as well as physically, and also develop good relationships with my cousins and siblings. Okay. Thank you for your time, everyone.